I call the rhythm Badman Forward, Badman Pull Up. What's the official name for the rhythm?
The official name, what did he name that rhythm again? Christ, what did they name that? I forgot what they called it. I forgot what they ended up calling it, but yeah, it shouldn't. I call because like I didn't have any plans of putting anybody else. I didn't have any intentions on putting anybody else on the rhythm.
So it was supposed to be a single.
It would be a single. You know?
Yeah.
So what happened was I ended up making the rhythm on one of my boys' computers. At that time, I was still playing sound system.
Mm-hmm.
And one of my selectors that I had on my sound, his name is Shanti Killer. He plays a sound named Earth Ruler now. Somebody was just telling me that the other day. Or General that might tell me the same, play Earth Ruler now. So he was playing on the same sound at the time. So we were supposed to go to a party that night. And I don't know, it was like I would say around like 12, 13 in that night. And it was a Thursday night. He was like, yo, I want to see back that one, but it not really jump. So you want to go over there? Or we could go check my boy JJ. I'm like, all right, let's go check JJ because I want to see what he working with as far as what he's working on as a producer and just kind of get some insight. You know, for me as a youth, like, just give me information and I'm good with that. You know what I mean? As a youth growing up, that's all I wanted was information. I was just hungry for information and just learning how to better myself in the craft. So we go over to his crib and he's working on an IBM laptop. It was his girlfriend's own because she was a nurse at the time working. And I think she was going to school for it or something. So she had an IBM laptop and he borrowed it from her and then threw 40 loops on it. He talking about this is like 2006, 2005.
Yeah.
So he throws 40 loops on it. And he has like a little keyboard that's big, like about this iPad here.
Yeah.
You know, and got some little keys on it and stuff. And that's how he would make his beats and stuff. So he shows me how to use the program. He's showing me how to use the program, how to select the sounds, how to get the sounds into the Fruity Loops palette thingy, and you know, just how to get how to create the beat. And Badman Forward was the beat that I created as the sample beat of what he showed me how to create the program, how to use the program. But like, it's so funny. All right, so I'm skipping a major part of that story. Prior to that week, the week before that, Ding Dong came to New York because at this time now, Future Vibes and myself and our company is representing Ding Dong's management. So all his shows and everything is coming through us. So we know his schedule full time. So he comes to New York after doing a show in England. He went to England and then he did a show and then he came to New York. So he came to New York. He came back to New York the Saturday. And then Steely Bashment was keeping a Sunday party every Sunday in the Elite Arc in the daytime. People come play dominoes or, you know what I mean, come get jerk chicken and just all a vibe and, you know what I mean, come listen to some big music and thing like that. And he had a sound system super strong from Jamaica. They had a sound system here in New York. So they would string up every Sunday and the sound system is just as big as the super strong in Jamaica. So that can lick down the place. So Ding Dong comes and he's like, so now the Sunday reach and Ding Dong is like, yo, he want to go out. He want to touch the road. He want to chill for a little bit, whatever the kid maybe before he go back to Jamaica. Because he was going back to Jamaica the Monday. So he was here for Saturday and Sunday. And then I think he did a show the Saturday in Connecticut. So that's why he was able to come back to Brooklyn and be around us the Sunday. So he was like, he want to go to Steely thing. So we go over there. So Steely them is on the sound and the man might play beer old super cat.
Yeah.
The Heavy D and Super Cat. Them no worry, them no worry. And the place a shell way. And ding down there and I do the dance and thing and I go on the mood. So we did it know. So we did it and the man in my play like the man in play the away them off you run it down and then dada and Mr. Super and the man start do the dance and that's it. So we did it I'm like I'm watching him. Cause it's like it's me, him, Future Vibes, and I think DVD, yeah, without DVD, they did it with him. So him did it, I do the dance and steal it, I hike it up and my dance. So I'm like, yo, bro, what is that you doing? So him I said, yo, when I go out England last Friday we're gone. Me I want selector over the name Skybot. We create a dance over the name Badman Forward, Badman Pull Up. And the people them are go mad over it. I hate this. So I start beat again and I was like, yo. So I didn't say nothing more to him. I'm just watching him, but like I'm just thinking about like a song and like just the branding of the dance and how he could market it and all kind of thing like that. So we just did it. I watch him. So now fast forward now to Thursday now, when the youth know that and I show them how for use Fruity Loops now. Let's start thinking about the dance and the whole vibe and the energy that was going on with from the Sunday. So we just start thinking about like a rhythm that like have a Badman feel to it, but like just sound different, not everything that was being played at the time in a journey. So there's all a part like I wanted to fuse the beat with American flavor in it too. So there's a part that you hear that's from the ODB. Oh baby, I like it raw. In a Badman Forward and you hear then lights. So when I created the rhythm, I tell all the youth where I created on the computer, I tell him at the time, I say, yo brother, this I gotta take off because I already done saw the dance. So I already don't know how we was gonna fuse this already. So Ding Dong came back. I made the beat that Thursday. Ding Dong came back the Friday, the next day. Right? So he comes back. So Future went to go pick him up from the airport. So so I called Future like, yo, Future, where that? And he said, yo, don't sleep in the airport, you know, come back around the shop. I was like, yo, tell Ding, some find it, go find the rhythm button. Yo, you tell it. And he said, all right, cool. So when they reach now, to the shop now by the ends, I'm like, yo, Ding, find the rhythm in a dog. Want some more here, play it. Just play it. Pew. When it hear it immediately. That would have been my forward, immediately. Like, all right.
Yeah.
But then after that, like after it came up with the lyrics and everything, we needed to find a studio now to record it and thing. So Future Link, Ed Robinson. I'm gonna sing knocking on the eleven's that and they have a studio Rona Hart in that East Lock over here. Yeah. And we went to the studio and recorded one shot. Me, Future and Ding went in the booth and me and Future just did the pull-ups for Ding and we just recorded the one shot on shit.
Okay, so the pull-ups, you're actually the one saying the pull-ups, you and Future are the one saying pull-up in the song.
Yeah. Pull up. No dancing. And some shit I said in the nigga giveaway. But he was talking. Yeah. Oh, the next dancing. Yeah. I ding dang this area. All dancers, all comes. And then my talk, all in teasing my talk. Whatever. Yeah. And then after that, we put the song out. Which is I broke the record on Wagwan Radio because at the time I was playing on City Bashman's Wagwan Radio, which was like a pirate radio station in Brooklyn. That you could hear all the new Caribbean music, all the new soca, all the new like Love Us Rock, all the new roots and culture, all the new dancehall thing that you can hear right here on Wagwan Radio. So first 2 hours when I went on, because I played from 8 to 10. I just played Badman Forward for the whole time that I was on the radio, just make people call up. And then Mr. C was driving in Brooklyn. I was listening to me play on Wagwan radio and stuff. And then he came by and got a copy of Badman Forward and broke it on Hot 97. And that's how it went from thing to the thing.
So was it really bubbling in New York first before Jamaica?
Oh hell yeah. Big.
Yeah.
Remember I told you I broke it on Wagwan radio. I had the whole entire Brooklyn listening to me every Wednesday from 8 to 10. The whole entire Brooklyn was listening to me every Wednesday. So we had a chance to, like, you know, just break records, to just give them the vibe that we was out from our perspective. You know what I mean? Give them a vibe from our perspective. And that's what I was able to do every Wednesday, 8 to 10. So, I mean, Mr. C was listening, so he heard it. And then, like, you know, he booked Ding Dong for this club named Speed, which was like a hip hop club in Manhattan. He booked Ding Dong and The Game, the rapper The Game. You know what I mean? And that shit was ram-packed. Ding Dong was the first dancer to go to Brazil and perform. He performed with Stone Love over there. And these were groundbreaking things that happened because of Badman Forward. Like, we couldn't even walk through, like, you have this mall over here in Brooklyn called King's Plaza. We couldn't even walk through them places because Ding Dong was that big. We couldn't go nowhere. It was huge. No record deal, just based off of the song and just, you know what I mean, the presence that we gave him in New York.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.